Hi guys, and welcome to the first of hopefully many quick and easy videos. So the one thing I love about this hobby is the fact that so many people are helpful and willing to share what they've learned and what they do. And that's something I hope I sort of contribute a little bit. Obviously I show the good things that happen and obviously the bad things when mistakes happen. So yeah, I put all of that in my videos. So I'm going to do some of these little quick and easy ones, just for some of the things that I've learned along the way. Some of the things I may have sort of come up with myself, although the chances are whatever I do, it's probably done by thousands of other people. But yeah, it's all about sharing what we do and making it easier for everyone else to sort of like learn from their mistakes and their own. So so this one's obviously all about basing, and it's something I'm going to be doing a lot more of soon, because over the last year I've had a little look around. Obviously you can see some of the items I've got in the back there. For the last year I think I've only painted 5 miniatures. Which is kind of bad, and I think that's kind of why I always sort of say I'm really bad at painting, and it's basically because I've not had the real practice or experience. Obviously I do quite a bit of terrain stuff, and my go-to for that is normally sort of like scrapyard junky sort of looking stuff that's basically a rust bucket. But now I want to start doing some more miniatures. We'll be printing off quite a few of these miniatures. I'll explain that in a different video. So for this one, obviously printed them out and basing. So I'm going to be doing a lot more basing because obviously I'm going to be doing a lot more miniatures. So I'm basically going to show a quick and easy one that I've done for this chap. Okay, so let's start. So for the few bases I have actually done in the past, I've either painted them like this one, or I've had to go at doing the flocking and obviously put the grass down like this one. And again, they're both kind of alright, but obviously they're nothing special, they're nothing spectacular, and well, they're kind of pants really. So this is the one I just recently did, and yeah, I'm really happy with how this has come out. And you might be able to notice as well that I'm really happy with how I painted it. But yeah, obviously this one's all about the basing. So this base obviously looks a lot more natural, rustic, and well, kind of real compared to the other two. So what I need to do to get that was obviously I've got a variety of the grasses that I've used in the flocking. So what I'm doing now is I've got a variety of colours here, as you can see, and it's all a case of mixing them together. And straight away, obviously it instantly makes the grass look more natural, being sort of different shades rather than that one sort of green solid one you can see in the background. And I've also got this kind of like dirt sort of stuff, but obviously it's not real dirt, it's kind of like pretend dirt. And as well as that, I've got these little rocks, little stones, variety of sizes in there again. So what I'm doing now is basically mixing all three together and comes up with this. So again, nice and simple, but that's the whole idea of these videos. Nice and simple but effective. So mixing all three together definitely gets a more realistic, more natural looking sort of like earthy ground feel. Then it's just a case of getting the miniature or terrain even of what you want to obviously cover, and then cover it in, well, normally you'd cover it in PVA glue. Unfortunately I've run out of PVA glue, so that's why I'm using super glue. It'll do the same job, but obviously the PVA glue's a lot cheaper, and obviously you get more of it. But yeah, I mean this glue's pretty cheap, so I got this from Amazon, so it's quite a large size for a small amount, which is pretty cool. And then it's just a case of gluing everywhere that you want the grass, the dirt and the stones to obviously stick to. In this case it'll be the whole of the base, but say because I am using this glue and not PVA, I'm going to do it in little sections, whereas normally you could just sort of put the glue over the whole of the base, and then if you can, if the base is small enough, you could just obviously dip it right into the pot. But in this case the base is quite large because obviously it's got 3 little minifigures on it. So yeah, I'm going to do it in little sections. But yeah, so you could just dip this in, or you can do what I'm kind of doing, is half dipping it and then picking up the stuff and then just sprinkling it on. And then any excess, obviously you just sort of like shake that back into the pot. It's definitely simple and quick, and I think looks great. So I just want to say a big thank you to all my patrons for helping support the channel, and it means now I can go out and buy more materials to make more bases with, which is pretty awesome. I also want to thank Artiscapade, Easy Roller Dice and Any Cubic, who also sponsor me. I also want to thank Miniatures of Madness for sending me the STL files of these miniatures. I have got a longer video coming out tomorrow, showing more detail about these and other figures, and more about Miniatures of Madness. There are links in the description to everything used in this video. And there we go, a nice quick and easy way of obviously finishing off your miniatures and the basing. So yeah, I'm really pleased with how that's come out. I say obviously the main thing is it is quick and easy, which is awesome because I've got lots of miniatures. You can't see all of them, I've got lots of miniatures already 3D printed on my desk. And yeah, I'm going to be doing some painting with these, maybe using some of them in little dioramas, but definitely they're obviously going to all be painted. And yeah, bases will be will be done in this fashion. So yeah, I'm definitely sort of pleased with how this has come out. I will be getting a variety of sort of different materials to use for bases, as in different sort of like gravel, different kind of stones, and maybe a few more grasses. I've got quite a lot of grass already. So yes, I'm going to be doing quite a lot of basing, and again mixing the bits together just so it doesn't look too even and it does look a bit more natural. So as I say, I'm going to be doing quite a few of these little quick and easy videos. So if you've got any ideas or any tips and tricks you want to share with everyone, then by all means leave them in the comments down below. And if it's something I can do, then I'll have a go at doing it, and I'll share it with you guys. And again, that's the whole thing about this hobby, really is sharing our experiences, tips and tricks, what we can do to save time, to make things look good, and yeah, and share the fun with everyone else. Okay guys, if you're new here and you like what I do, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe and turn on the bell. And yeah, leave comments down below guys, even if it's just to say hi. They all help my channel out. And yeah, we'll get more videos in the future. Cool, alright guys, well I'm going to get back to this. You guys take care, and I'll see you all later. Okay, bye for now.